Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set goals here in LiveChat. Alright, so first up, go to the left panel. Now go ahead and find Engage, okay? Click on it, and once done, let's go ahead and click on Goals right here in this panel, okay? Click on Goals, then just go ahead and click on Create Goal. Click on it. Now in here, you can now go ahead and choose to create a goal from scratch or maybe a template. I'm just going to go ahead and use Start from Scratch right here. In this page, just basically define the goal criteria, such as a visitor reaching a specific page, like a thank you page after purchase, or a custom variable in your website's code reaching a specific value. All right, so under page visited, you have advanced triggers as well, if you want this one. But for this video, we're just going to be using page visited. Okay, click on the drop down and select the condition is exactly or contains. Okay, it's up to you. Now go ahead and enter the URL path right here. Let's say the website is answerasap.com/checkout. Okay, the goal name may be a simple goal, like so, and then once done, just click on Create Goal. And that is it. Here we now have our newly created goal. So to make it active, change the status right here by clicking on the slider, like so, and it says here sample goal has been updated. Okay, if you want to delete it, you have the delete button right here, the 3 dots, or just click on edit if you just want to edit it. All right, well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.